Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Igama Umbali, others call me Mablom, and welcome to the Mablom channel. Now let's get right into it. I know it's been a long time. I've shared 2 videos that I see that people aren't really interested in like business things as much. So I think let's rather carry on with plugging of imsebenzi. Most of the people, they know that this one is quite easy. Japan, you can get jobs like be an English teacher in Japan and various other industries that I will also cover. Obviously, always look at the description. I've got websites where you can go to directly apply. Always research, double check, go to LinkedIn and verify all the information. So this is a plug, especially if you are young and you don't necessarily have family or have kids. Then I would say take the opportunity. If you've got a degree and you can speak English very fluently like a native English speakers, because most South Africans, we are native English speakers, then this will definitely help you. We are banda guys, so I am like dressed really warm. I'm working from home, so it's been quite a hectic time trying to stay focused. Usikaya. But anyway, I hope I'll maybe do like a shorts on one of the days when I'm taking you guys with me to work or something, when I've got something happening. But anyway, let's get right to it. So today's country that we're looking into is Japan. Now, what are the easy jobs that we can get in Japan if you are looking for umsebenzi, right? So Japan is obviously an English-speaking country. Excuse me for looking at the bottom, guys. As I always say, I've got my notes on my phone, okay? So why Japan? Firstly, Japan has a shortage of young people, and they've got a really high aging population. So that's an advantage because they want young people. And from the stats that I actually learned and from what I also heard when I used to stay in South Korea, I would hear people saying very good, the young people don't necessarily want to like populate and have kids. A marriage is not like and all these things. So yeah, that's the other thing. The other thing is that Japan is very clean and it's efficient. Systems wabo gune Disney. I mean, they've got a Disney that they've got, but it's absolutely beautiful. They've got high respect for like professionals, immigrant professionals. Finally, like English teachers are like really ranked high in terms of like respect and all of that, chabo. So yeah, and then the other thing is, oh yeah, I've got a friend in South Korea and she's an English teacher in South Korea. I actually have a date with her sometime, online dates, trying to keep your old relationships is a hassle, but yeah. So exactly what are the hot jobs? What are the industries that we are looking into? So there's English teachers, as I said, the main one, caregivers. If you can take care of old people and you don't mind bathing them, entertaining them, and so on. And I think it also is quite different in terms of like levels, because some certain jobs, some caregivers require medical experience or background and all that. Then there's engineers. I've worked with Japanese engineers and Chinese engineers. They are very smart. So, and then the hospitality workers, if you want to work in the hospitality area. And then there's factory operators. If you're a welder and you've got your qualifications, all these things, machine operator. And I would also say like automation. If you are very good like automation of machines, being an operator and all of that, you'll probably get a job because they're looking for abantu that can operate a machine and all of that. Okay, now the job website, that's the next thing. Now this you'll find on the description, guys. As I said, jobsinjapan.com. There is there's another website. I might not say it properly, so I'm not gonna even say it. There's 2 other websites that you'll find on my description. Go there, look them up, and check if you can actually qualify, and yeah, apply. You see how I'm making this video very short and cool. And then there's visa options, right? You can be an instructor, get an instructor visa, which is really cool that they've got like an instructor visa specific. Then there's specified skilled worker visas, like for engineers and all of that. Then you can do that. And yeah, engineers in humanities visa you can also get that specifically. So these are the skills that they have a shortage. And I think with Japan, it's not necessarily that they have a shortage of engineering, just that the population yabo ayikho iningi kakhulu that they can cover the amount of engineers that they want. So like in South Africa, most of the young people are studied, well educated. So an uktoli degree is like a standard, you know. So in these countries it's also the same, but their population is very lesser. And you find with most of the young people, like even manje in New Zealand, actually I'm the only one now in my team at work that is black, but I've got Chinese, Japanese, and Korean team members in my team, literally. So they move away from their countries, and they've got their own reasons and stuff. And then yeah, tips again, just make sure that you get your TEFL certificate, start learning basic Japanese, obviously train yourself, hello, bye, and all of that, and prepare strong references, because usually when you write your CVs and when you're starting to be interviewed, they do want to check your references. So family, friends, work places that you've worked in, have good relationship, don't burn your bridges, and just try your level best to make sure that you've got a good relation, so that when they're looking for references, they can even write my references and you can attach them to your CV and whatnot, so that it gives you a bit of a boost with your qualifications and all of that. And yeah, man, if Japan has been really in your heart, then this could be an opportunity for you to actually go to it and check it out. Okay, so yeah, otherwise, there we go. We actually finished everything in 7 minutes. Oh my god. My goal is always 10 minutes, so that the information is out and it doesn't really take long. But I hope this helps you, and I wish you nothing but the best, and I hope that you can actually land the job that you are looking for, so that it can help you and better your life. Otherwise, I want you guys to enjoy, and all the best. Enjoy your June, and I wish you guys all the best in this warm, cold weather, and thank you so much to everyone that's still sticking with me. Consistency is key, and I'm working on it. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.